Hey, what's up, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka Rockstar here, and today we're gonna have a super simple and straight to the point video. I'm actually on my way out right now, but I've been getting so many requests of people on Instagram asking me how is it that I'm buying some of my altcoins like Shiba, Safemoon, and even Dogecoin. And I figured just to make things super simple, I'd go ahead and make a tutorial for all of you here, because I'm sure if some of my following on Instagram is already asking that question, there are most likely a lot of you here that are asking the same exact question. Now, as some of you may or may not know, there are a lot of restrictions when it comes to buying certain altcoins or certain cryptocurrencies. For example, in New York, I can't even open certain exchanges because it's just not available in New York. XRP is just not available in the US in general. So unless you're getting like a VPN, or you can find a nice app or exchange to go ahead and be able to buy or swap those coins, it's pretty much impossible. But I'm gonna be showing you guys my super easy and simple way of how it is that I buy these coins, and I'm telling you, you're gonna absolutely love me after this. So you're only gonna need two apps for this tutorial. And the first one being is, I personally use Coinbase, okay? So Coinbase is the first app that you're gonna wanna go ahead and download to your phone. And yes, everything that we're gonna be talking about here is gonna be done straight from your phone. You don't need a computer or anything extra. So download Coinbase. If you guys are not familiar with Coinbase, it is probably the largest and most trusted coin wallet, right? Cryptocurrency coin wallet in the world right now. And it is available for most of you watching this video here. I'm gonna have a link down in the description below if you guys wanna go ahead and do it, being that 90% of you are on your phone right now. Go ahead and click the link and go ahead and set up your Coinbase. Super easy and straight to the point. Now, once you go ahead and set up the Coinbase account, we're gonna then obviously go ahead and open the app. Now, there are a few verifications that you're gonna have to do to be able to send cryptocurrency with Coinbase if you are brand new to the platform. I do have two previous videos you can go back and watch, and I walk you through exactly how to do that. But let's just say, for example, you are already good, you have your exchange set up, or you have your Coinbase set up, and you can already send and receive crypto. What you're gonna do is, we're gonna go and use Bitcoin as an example. So I'm gonna click the Bitcoin button. As you guys see here, I already have about $8 in Bitcoin. I'm gonna go ahead and press trade. And once I press trade, I'm gonna put buy BTC, all right? So once you click buy BTC, you're gonna wanna go ahead and put the desired amount. For this example, I'm just gonna put $10 of a buy on BTC. And side note, if you guys are brand new to Coinbase, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're using a debit card when you're going ahead and linking an account to Coinbase. If you link your bank account, it may take a few business days for the transaction to actually process, and you're gonna have to wait to be able to send and receive crypto, okay? So just go ahead and link a debit card, buy the desired amount. We're gonna preview buy. As you guys can see here, there's a small fee, nothing too much. It's only 99 cents for a $10 buy. So I'm gonna press buy now, and bada bing, bada boom. As you guys see here, the Bitcoin is purchased. So now that we went ahead and we purchased that Bitcoin, we're gonna go ahead and download an app called BitMart, okay, BitMart. Now, if you don't already have a BitMart account, make sure you download it. Again, link in the description. Super easy for you guys. Just download BitMart, and the best part is that there's no verification or anything that you need to go ahead and do what it is that I'm about to show you. So once you download the app and you created your profile, it's very simple. You're gonna go over to the very last tab named Assets, and once you see the Assets tab, you're gonna hit the deposit button. Very easy, straight to the point. Type in BTC, and we're gonna go ahead and make a deposit of Bitcoin. Now, this is where it can get tricky for some of you. You have to make sure that obviously you're doing this with the right currency that you're going to be sending. So because we bought BTC in Coinbase, you wanna make sure that you're depositing BTC. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna copy the Bitcoin address, go right back to your Coinbase app. At the very bottom, you're gonna see the two little arrows, right? And in the very center, you're gonna click that and press send crypto. We're gonna select Bitcoin, and then once we do that for this tutorial, I'm just gonna click max. So we click the max button, continue, $17.92, and we're gonna send it to the address that we literally just copied from BitMart, okay? So the address right here, we're gonna copy it, we're gonna paste it, preview send, hit the send now button, and you are good to go. Now, typically this transaction can take anywhere from about 20 to 30 minutes. I don't think it's ever really gone longer than that for me, but once the 30 minutes is up, you should get a message from BitMart pretty much saying that they received the crypto, and then obviously your Bitcoin should already be confirmed on the blockchain. If you're not sure if it's done sending, all you have to do is go right back to Coinbase, click BTC wallet, sent Bitcoin right here, and you're gonna see here, mine still says pending. So you wanna make sure that says complete before you start to actually panic. So now we're just gonna sit and wait for the Bitcoin to actually transfer. All right, we're back. So as you guys can see, not even a full 15 minutes, and we got the text message from BitMart letting us know that our transfer was complete. So all you're gonna wanna do is, obviously, open up your BitMart account. You're gonna go ahead to your BTC option. So once you find BTC, you're gonna hit the trade button. Make sure that it's BTC USDT, okay? Sometimes it shows up as packs, I'm not sure why, but make sure you switch it over. And then right there, you're gonna see buy and sell at the top. Click the sell button, change limit order to market order. All right, in this case, I'm gonna transfer the entire thing. So I'm gonna click 100% and we are going to sell our Bitcoin for US dollars. So boom. So now that we place that order, very simply, we go back, we refresh, and as you guys see here, we now have 1597 USD. So whatever coin you want to buy after that, let's just say, for example, I'm going to buy some more Shiba. Shiba is booming right now. In fact, I'm up over 400%. Between Shiba and Safemoon, I'm up like 3 grand in the last like 2 days. So, but I'm going to buy some more Shiba. So here's what we're going to do. Click Shiba. We're going to click the trade button once again. Shiba USDT. Click buy. Again, market order, 100%. And boom, and that is it. Super simple, super easy, straight to the point. And as you guys can see here, our Shiba just went ahead and transferred. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. It's super simple. What you want to do is buy Bitcoin on the exchange or wallet that you already have. You want to transfer and send that Bitcoin to your BitMart account. You're going to sell your Bitcoin for USD, and then you're gonna go ahead and repurchase. You're gonna purchase whatever other coin you want straight from BitMart using that coin /USDT. Super easy, straight to the point. And BitMart has almost every single crypto or altcoin that you guys can think of. I'm talking Uniswap, Dogecoin, XRP, Safemoon, SafeMars, SafeSun, Shiba, you name it, it is on there, guys. So definitely take advantage, and hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, it's your boy Rico, aka Rockstar. Make sure you hit a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm out. Peace. Feel just like a rock star.